All right, hello everyone. And for my group, we did our presentation. Our company name is Lemon Law. Lemon Law. Our product is no lemon. All right, so our company background for our Lemon Law body products. Lemon Law Products is a business comprised of an all natural line of products made specifically for the body. They consist of body sprays, body lotions, candles, and body washes. This business was designed with excuse me, with the all natural customers prefer organic, non-harmful products is used on their skin. It is all natural, it is all organic, cruelty free, all products made with organic lemons. You will not face any problems for like your skin or anything like that. Alright, for our products and services, are natural they're all natural and all made with organic lemons. Our body sprays, body lotions, candles, bath gels, all made with organic lemons. We provide customers with an alternative to harsher and chemical induced body products. Our products are free from chemicals and are made with natural organic products. So for our marketing plan will include flyers such as the example you see on the right, to appeal to our more health conscious, environment conscious, and organic conscious crowd who don't want harsh chemicals on their skin. Because, like, even for me, for example, I don't want any chemicals on my skin. You don't want that. You want your skin to be all free of chemicals and it just looks good and it feels good. We will also use the hashtag #LemonLaw to get our social media users involved, as well as our slogan, our product is no lemon. So as you can see on the right, our box special, it includes body spray, bath gel, hand soap, and scented candle is included for free. And then on the bottom, follow us on Twitter, hashtag #LemonLaw. Our startup and our financial plan. So our financial costs, as listed below, include our building its real estate. It will be like a monthly domain fee of $20, a capital equipment of $1,000, location and administration expenses will be $300. Opening inventory will be $2,000. Advertising promotional expenses will be $567. Other expenses will be $1,000, and contingency will be around $4,800. And which means our total cost to start our business will be at $9,774, almost at $10,000. And this is our team that we know to start this business. So our first team member is Brittany Cotton. Brittany is a professional with a strong background in business and over 6 years experience in management. Brittany is creative, has an ability to initiate when tasks need to be completed, is dedicated and trustworthy. Brittany has earned several degrees, including one in product development and design at the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising in San Francisco, and has a background with knowledge of business applications such as Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Adobe, Photoshop, and graphic design. Brittany is passionate about business and will do whatever necessary to succeed. In addition to all the aforementioned qualities, Brittany has a strong desire to learn and, and completes whatever task you present her with tenacity and willingness. Brittany is an overall achiever. Next team member is Shelby. Shelby has accumulated a year in management and has consistently proven her ability to rise up to new challenges and show flexibility in adding responsibilities. She is consistent with proving her dedication to the company and shows what true initiative looks like. She is supportive of all her subordinates and does a great job of being both a manager and a leader. Shelby is extremely selfless and will always support her team over all else. And next team member we have Helen. Helen has a background in both engineering and political science. She currently works in an operations lead role at a tech startup in the Bay Area. Helen is currently working towards obtaining IT security certification to further develop her professional career and pursue her happiness in the cybersecurity field. In the future, Helen hopes to become an entrepreneur and start her own business in the IT security/consulting industry. And our last member will be Rahul Berry. Rahul has background in business management of about 4 years. Rahul is a current student at Sierra College and is looking to earn his degree in business management and further his knowledge in the subject. Rahul currently works in an office for his father's company where he's in charge of his own staff working together to put together their project for the company. Rahul loves working in business and would like to run his own business one day. Rahul will do whatever it takes to complete the projects or tasks that his team is assigned and will sacrifice his time to complete them. And that's our presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we hope you like our product in the future. Thank you.